How to turn off bringing devices together on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on the easy way to turn off bringing devices together on Android. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. So turning off bringing devices together on Android device is quite easy and simple. Just hop into your device settings. On settings, tap on the search bar at top of the screen and search for Quick Share. You will get different options related to Quick. So we got the option here that is Quick Share. You need to locate the option and tap on Quick Share. Once you open the Quick Share settings, here you can see the option of who can share with you. Simply toggle the button off and this will turn off bringing devices together on Android. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and thank you for watching.